And today we've got another product review. This is another new company to the channel. This is Fetti Says. I've got two different oils and butters. We've got their anniversary blend, and then we've got chocolate, coffee, and oud we're going to be checking out. So welcome, guys. My name is Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where I try to help you grow your best beard possible. I appreciate you joining me. And I just feel like Fetti Says we're just classing up the joint a little bit. Just really sophisticated scents, excellent quality carrier oils and feel in beard. The website looks good. We're going to get into all of that. So a little bit on the pricier side. Maybe that's why I feel so sophisticated. But a thing that's different, there's been a long time since I had one, is these are 2-ounce oils. So these are big old 2-ounce oils, and they go for $25 a piece. So that's not too bad for a 2-ounce oil. And then we've got the butter. And the butter, I don't know if that's a 2-ounce or like a 3-ounce. It's not 4, but it's a pretty big tin. So I would say it's a 2 or a 3-ounce, and that's $25 to me. That's a little bit on the pricey side, but the owner did give me a discount code to share with you guys. It's Banjo20. So once you take 20% off, it definitely comes down to a little bit more reasonable price for that. But as I said, good quality ingredients, but something that's really interesting that I can't figure out if it's a pro or a con. And that is that the carrier oils, carrier blends are totally different for all the different oils. So I don't know if that's good or bad. I think it's good if they're working for you. Now, the two that I have work great for me. But if maybe there's a real scent you wanted to try out, but you don't like grapeseed oil, which is in one of the blends I saw, the two that I have, they don't have that in it. You may not be getting the same consistent feel in beard across all of the different blends. I'm not sure. So you have to tell me. I've only tried 2 so far. I usually like trying out more than that from a company, but I'm going to go with what I've got here. So let's talk about the anniversary oil. So the blend in that is Indian castor, rice bran, almond, sunflower oil. Okay. Whereas with the chocolate coffee oud, that blend is Jamaican black castor, avocado, meadow seed, and sunflower. So just a little bit different on each one. And I saw some that had like emu in it, a emu blend. I saw some that had, like I said, grapeseed stuck out, but just about every good carrier oil that you can think of is in one of these oils. So the website looks good. I would say it's a little bit cumbersome to manage. You have to do a lot of clicking because you just go to shop and there's like 3 or 4 pages of stuff you just have to kind of scroll through. I can see why it's like that, because every single oil blend's different. You can't just click on oils and just pick out the scent from a drop down menu. But I do wish there were some categories of oils and butters and that kind of stuff. So on the butters, it's pretty much the exact same carriers, except it's got the shea butter in it, at least for these two. Now, I saw some other butter blends that had more butters in it and just a slightly different with the oils that were in it. But for both of these, it just has shea butter in it and then the oils added to it. So I got these a couple months ago, back when it was really hot. So they melted completely. So I can't really tell you if they were whipped or poured. It looks like they were poured, but I'm not 100% sure. The good thing is they're not gritty. Sometimes you get butters that have melted in the heat and re-solidified at different temperatures. They're like real gritty and you have to melt them down and try again. These work great for me. Really good feel in beard. And this scent, I've got the chocolate coffee oud one right here. Both of these scents are really good, very elegant. They don't smell cheap or like imitation. By the way, these are all organic, non-GMO, and locally sourced ingredients. And this chocolate coffee oud, you definitely get chocolate. And I don't usually like chocolate scents in my beard. I have found another one that I actually like. It's kind of weird. I never say never. So this is why I never say never to a scent. And most of the time when owners ask me what kind of scent should I they send out to me, it's like, send whatever you want. I do have things that I tend to like or not like, but I'm always surprised. This one was a very pleasant surprise. It is more like a dark chocolate. It's not super sweet. So a dark chocolate, I don't really get any coffee out of it. And so I get chocolate, and then once it starts to wear down, you get more of that earthy woodiness. So maybe that is that's the oud in it, but it's not like a cologne stinky type of oud, if you will. So it's more of the kind of wood smell is what I get out of it. I really enjoy it. And I don't like coffee scents either. I don't really get coffee out of it. So that is the chocolate coffee oud. And then the anniversary blend was said to be tonka, an exotic tonka kind of scent. I get barbershop. Now, it's a really elegant kind of barbershop, but it's kind of a barbershop, a little bit cologne, clean kind of scent. And I do like it. I do get kind of a little bit of a talcum powder, which I don't tend to like either, but this one I can wear. So that's the anniversary scent. The owner said that pretty soon he will have the wash and conditioner in these scents as well. So let me know in the comments if you've tried out Fetti Says. Take a look and see some of those other scents that are available. If you've tried it, let me know about the different carrier blends and if they've all worked for you. They've all worked for me. I've only got a sample size of 2, which is not huge. But from what I saw, I was pretty impressed with everything. So I would not be hesitant to try any of the blends or any of the scents to see if they would work for me. Let me know in the comments if they've worked for you. And what do you think about that they got different carry blends? My brain wants to keep saying that that's a bad idea, but if I have good experience after good experience, it's kind of hard to argue against it. So let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate the owner sending this stuff out to me. Send it out to me for when we did the fall extravaganza. Didn't quite get it in time, so I wanted to do a follow-up review. And because the stuff really worked for me and I really enjoyed the scent, so I wanted to make sure to share that with you guys. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video.